Hey tech lovers! Samsung just dropped a 130-inch AI-powered TV at CES 2026. It looks like a private cinema, but can you actually fit it in your house? Or afford it? Let's break it down. Let's start with its stunning color and picture quality. This thing is like having the entire color spectrum climb into your living room and do a salsa. Samsung claims 100% coverage of the BT 2020 color gamut, meaning colors are as accurate and vibrant as you can get on a screen today. AI-powered picture and smart features? Samsung packs in a bunch of AI tools: Micro RGB AI Engine Pro, Color Booster Pro, HDR Pro, to dynamically enhance contrast and detail. This means bright scenes stay bright without blowing out the whites, and dark scenes don't become a black mush. What about its huge screen? A 130-inch screen makes even huge movie theater screens look like a floating window, rather than a typical TV. And honestly, once you've seen a football game on that size, going back to 65-inch feels like watching through a needle hole. When it comes to its glare-free and integrated sound, Samsung's glare-free coating helps keep reflections at bay, so you won't be blinded every time sunlight hits the screen, a real danger with something this size. Audio is built into the frame and tuned to match the screen's size, so the sound doesn't feel like a tiny opera singer trapped in the corner. Yeah, let's give a look at what could be as the drawbacks on this Micro RGB 130-inch TV. The price and availability, still unknown, but likely massive. Samsung hasn't announced pricing yet or release details, but premium TVs of similar size and tech often cost astronomical amounts. What about logistics and fitting it into your home? Getting a 130-inch display into your living room might require heroic efforts: furniture disassembly, door frame adjustments, or even architecture class-level planning. If your house doesn't come with forklift access, you might end up hosting a construction crew instead of a movie night. Black levels still not perfect OLED? While Micro RGB boosts brightness and richness, it may still not match the perfect blacks of high-end OLED panels, which turn pixels off individually. In a cinematic black-on-black scene, you might still see a hint of gray, like a TV that whispers, "I'm trying my best." When it comes to its software and real-world performance, that is still unknown. Since this is a new generation flagship shown at CES, real-world performance, long-term software support, and full calibration quality are still unknown until full reviews and hands-on tests arrive. Overall, the Micro RGB 130-inch TV is a bold statement piece that delivers breathtaking size, exceptionally rich colors, and cutting-edge AI-enhanced visuals that feel more like a private cinema than a traditional TV. It excels in immersion, color accuracy, and premium design, but comes with real-world trade-offs: likely eye-watering pricing, challenging installation, and first-generation uncertainty. In short, it's not a TV for everyone, but for those who can afford it and fit it, the Micro RGB 130-inch is less a screen and more an experience. So, if you enjoy this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for weekly content.